So now we'll understand the various operations on whole numbers, like how do we add whole numbers, how do we subtract whole numbers. So we'll understand the concepts in a number line. Okay. Now, what is a number line? So a number line is basically it represents the queue of numbers, because we learned that numbers, they exist in line, right? They exist one after another. So it's a line which displays the sequence of numbers one after another. So as you can see in this on the screen, you have 0 at the center. On one side, on right side, you have all the positive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And on the left side, you have all the negative numbers, like -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. So now for now, we will focus only on the positive numbers, because this lesson is only about whole numbers. So the whole numbers are the numbers starting from 0. So we will concentrate on this portion, okay, from 0. And this number line we'll see in the various operations, okay. So a line, number line is a line on which numbers are placed at intervals. So all the numbers starting from 0, all the whole numbers are placed at equal intervals, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So this line is called a number line. Now, as you move towards the right on the number line, what happens? Um, you move towards greater numbers, right? So a number which lies on the right side of the number is greater than the other number. For example, let's compare 9 with 4. So 9 is on the right of 4, right? On number line. So this shows that 9 is greater than 4. Similarly, if you compare 18 with 9, 18 lies on the right of 9, right? So which shows that 18 is the greater number. Okay, 18 is greater than 9. Similarly, as you move towards left on the number line, what happens? As you move towards left, you are moving towards smaller numbers. So you see 4 lies to the left of 9. So which shows that 4 is the smaller than 9. Okay. 9 lies to the left of 18, which shows that 9 is less than 18. It's smaller than 18. Okay. So basically, whenever you look at the number line, if you want to find the successor of any number, then the successor of any number will always be towards the right. So let's consider an example of, say, 12. So the number which is on the right of 12 will be its successor. So the number on the right of 12 is 13. So 13 is the successor of 12. And the number towards the left uh, is the smaller number, that is 11. So 11 is the predecessor. Okay. So the number on the right is the successor, and the number on the left is the would be the predecessor. Okay. So this is how the arrangement of number line is. Okay. So now we'll understand addition on number line. We will see that how do we add two whole numbers on whole numbers. I'm sure that you know how you can add two numbers, right? You know how what you will get while adding 5 plus 5 and 4, right? In normal mathematics, you know that 5 plus 4 is 9, right? But we'll prove on the number line that 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay. So let's look at the number line and see how do we add this. So basically, what do we want to do? We want to add 5 to 4, right? Or 4 to 5. That means 4 is to be added to 5, right? So the first thing that we need to do is locate 5 on the number line. So where is 5? Here, right? This is 5. Now with 5, we want to add 4, right? So basically, we will make jumps. And how many jumps we'll make? One jump. When I say one jump, it means one. So basically, 5 plus one jump is 6. Okay, so one jump is 1. Now I want to add 4 jumps, right? I want to add basically 4 to 5. It means 4 jumps. So this is 2, 3, and 4 jumps, right? So after the 4 jumps, where do I reach? I reached 9. So what does that mean? That means 5 plus 4 gives 9. So what we need to do is first you see to which number you want to add. So 5 is the number to which I want to add 4, right? So locate 5. Now how much you want to add? You want to add 4. So for 1, 1 is equivalent to 1 jump. So 4 is equivalent to 4 jumps. So we make 4 jumps, and where do we arrive? We arrived at 9. So that shows that 5 plus 4 gives 9, right? So whenever you have to add something, you have to go towards right, okay? Because you are because you are going towards the larger number, towards the greater number. So we have to move towards right, okay? Now let's take another example. Say I have to add 8 and 7. So basically I have to add 7 to 8. So to which number I have to add? 8. So first you have to locate 8. Then you have to add 7 to 8. So it means you need to take 7 jumps, right? So from 8, these are 2 jumps, then more 2 jumps, more 2 jumps, that is 6. Then again 1 jump, that is 7. So I took 7 jumps. And where do I arrived? I reached 15. So basically 8 plus 7 gives 15. And I moved towards right, right? So our sum is 15. So this is how we add numbers on number line.